Welcome everyone. Today we're talking about Sony's brand new professional camcorder, the PXW-Z300. This handheld XDCAM camera is built for news, events, documentaries, and live production. With 4K recording, AI-powered autofocus, and even built-in content authentication, it's one of the most advanced handheld camcorders Sony has ever released. The PXW-Z300 comes with 3/2-inch back-illuminated XMR, our CMOS sensors, and Sony's powerful Bion's XR processor. Together, they deliver sharp, vibrant 4K video at up to 60 frames per second, even in low light. Despite being handheld, this camcorder offers the same quality and control professionals expect in demanding production environments. One highlight is its 17 times optical zoom lens with a constant f1.9 aperture. Whether you're capturing wide establishing shots or close-up details, this lens keeps your image crisp and clear. You also get 3 independent rings for focus, zoom, and iris, giving full manual control, just like high-end broadcast lenses. The variable electronic ND filter is another standout. It adjusts smoothly from 1/4 to 1/128, letting you handle sudden lighting changes without affecting depth of field. Plus, built-in optical stabilization helps keep your shots steady and sharp. Inside the camera is Sony's advanced AI unit, which powers intelligent autofocus and auto-framing. The autofocus can track subjects even if they're masked, turned sideways, or partly hidden, perfect for fast-paced shooting. Another groundbreaking feature is digital content authentication. The PXW-Z300 is the world's first camcorder to embed secure digital signatures into your video, proving that your footage is authentic and untampered. A huge step forward for news and documentary work. Today's productions demand speed and connectivity, and the Z300 is built for that. It supports live streaming via RTMP, RTMPS, and SRT, plus 5G integration for on-the-go broadcasting. It works seamlessly with Sony's cloud services like C3 Portal and CI Media Cloud, making remote collaboration easy. For recording, it offers multiple formats, from XAVC intra and long GOP to HEVC proxy files. With dual card slots for CFexpress Type A and SD cards, you can record high-resolution and proxy files at the same time, saving both time and storage. In short, the Sony PXW-Z300 combines professional-grade imaging, smart AI autofocus, flexible streaming, and groundbreaking authentication in one compact handheld package. Whether you're a news reporter, documentary filmmaker, or event creator, this camcorder is designed to adapt to your workflow and deliver reliable results. Thanks for watching, and if you enjoyed this breakdown of the PXW-Z300, be sure to like, subscribe, and stay tuned for more professional gear insights.